Hi, my name is Gerson and today I will talk about classical probability. So the first thing we need to know is that classical probability is a simple form of probability that has equal odds of something happening. So here we have a problem that says a jar contains 3 red marbles, 7 green marbles, and 10 white marbles. If a marble is drawn from the jar at random, what is the probability that the marble is what? So the first step is to construct a table of frequency that gives the marbles color distribution. So in one side we have the color and in the other one the frequency. Then we need to use the empirical formula of probability, that is this one, that says PE is equal to the frequency for the white color divided by the total frequency in the above table. So we have that white is equal to 10 and the total of the frequency is 3 plus 7 plus 10, that is equal to 20. So we need to divide. 10 divided by 20 is equal to 1/2, and that's all. Thank you.
I'm going to explain conditional probability. A class of 30 students needs to select 3 for a competition. What is the probability of 2 of them being girls and 1 a boy? First, you have to define that 30 is your total. From those 30, 18 are girls and 12 are boys. To find the probability, first you have to put the number of girls, because you want 2 girls. You put the number of girls here, and then the total of the classroom. That's for the first girl. For the second one, you put 17 here, because you already have 1 here. And happens the same with the number of total. You put 29, because you already have 1. For the boys, you do the same as here. You put the total of boys here. And for the denominator, you rest 1 because you already have 29 here and they're here, so you need 28. To find the probability, you have to multiply all of them, and that is going to give you 0.15. In other words, 50%. So that's going to be your probability, 15.
I'm Julie, and today I will be presenting counting. Counting has many subdivisions like multiplication, factorials, permutation, and combinations, but today we'll be choosing permutation. Okay, so the problem goes like this. 5 out of 12 models will go to the carnival in Rio de Janeiro. Only the 5 most voted models are the ones going. In how many ways could they be selected? Okay, how do we know it's a permutation problem? Because the order matters. When the order matters, like we are only choosing 5 girls and not more, that means permutation. So first we're going to select our total of objects given. That means 12 because it's the total of the models. And then R means the objects that will be selected. That means 5 because only 5 out of 12 are the ones. So how do we know how to do it, like to take the result of how many ways can they be selected? So we do this. This is a formula, N permutation of R. So we put 12 permutation of 5, and that gives you 95,040.